Assalamualaikum. We will presenting our case study 5, which is to build wired LAN network for Black Rose Sendirian Berhad. This is my team member. The first member is Putri Nur Amalina Anis. The second member is Nur Aini. The third member is Nurin Jasina. The fourth member is Fatima Rabi'ah. And the last member is Adriana Marsha. For introduction, the case study 5 that we need to do is our team need to design, set up and configure the wired LAN for Black Rose Sendirian Berhad. The company provide the requirement as follow. They need 25 PC on the first floor and another 25 PC on the second floor. All the PC are connected to switches using cable. All the switches will be connected to router using wired LAN as outgoing source. The company also requests to set up their web server regarding their company on their service, event and product. All the devices are required to be able to access to their website as default successfully.
I will explain the network design and topology for this group project. For our group project, we are using star topology, which is commonly used in network design and topology. Here you can see the full topology of our group project. The network is divided into two floors with 25 PC on each floor. 25 PC on floor 1, this floor and this floor, and 25 PC on the floor 2. For connectivity, we use CISCO 2960 switch per floor, which means we have 2 switch per floor. The PC on each floor are connected to their switches using copper straight-through cable. Both switches are connected to a central router, which is CISCO 2901. This router acts as the main gateway for all devices and helps in routing between the floor and web server. We also added a web server which placed within the same network. All PC should be able to access it through its IP address.
So let's move to the next part, which is configuration setup. So Black Rose neighborhood have two floors, which is floor 1 and floor 2. So we want to see that the subnet mask and the default gateway is set correctly. So we want to check PC1 in floor 1. We see that subnet mask 255 and default gateway 192.168.1.254. And then we want to see that in floor 2 also the same, subnet mask 255 and default gateway 192.168.2.254.
I will be doing the demonstration on pin testing process and website access for our network setup. I will start by testing the connection between two PCs on the same floor. I'll use PC1 to ping PC number 13, which has the IP address of 192.168.1.15. So click on the PC1, go to desktop and open command prompt. And then I will ping the IP address of PC13. This reply means that PC1 can successfully communicate with PC2, which means the connection is successful. So I'll be using PC number 36 to ping PC number 49, which has the IP address of 192.168.2.25. So click on PC number 36, go to desktop and confirm. And then I'll ping the IP address. With this replies, confirm that PC number 36 and PC number 49 can communicate, and which means the connection is successful. I will test the connection between floor 1 and floor 2 by using PC number 2 on floor 1 and PC number 13 on floor 2 with IP address of 192.168.2.7. So click on PC2 desktop and open one file. And then I'll ping the IP address of PC number 30. Flow 1 can communicate with devices fine flow 2, which proves that the router is working correctly. Next, I will test if a PC can communicate with web server. So I will use PC number 3 to ping the web server IP address. The address for our web server is 192.168.1.100. So this successful ping means that the web server is reachable from the user devices and it is connected properly to the network. Lastly, I will test if the PC can access the website hosted on the web server. So go to any PC, go to desktop and open web browser. And then search the IP address for web server. So the website loads successfully, which means that our web server is configured and correctly accessible via browser. So this is.
As we work through this local area network project, we do face several challenges that taught us valuable lessons about networking setup and troubleshooting. One of the main issues was the request timeout error when we trying to ping between PCs on different floors. After investigation, we found that the default gateway was not configured properly on some PCs. As a suggestion for future improvement, it will be beneficial to use real web hosting platform instead of the simulated ones to make the website access more realistic.